How to repost videos on TikTok using Android. Hi there, today we'll learn how to repost videos on your TikTok account. So first thing, you need to log into your TikTok account. And for you to be able to repost a video, you can browse on the home page. That's on the lower left corner of the screen. You click on the home icon. When you click on it, you will be routed to your For You page where you'll be able to browse the videos that you may like. And then in order for you to repost the video, you click on the share icon that's right above the album profile. And then when you click on the share icon there, you'll be able to see the repost option and then click on repost. You just need for it to load, and then you can go back to your profile by clicking on the lower right corner of the screen, and then on the fourth option below your bio, that is where you'll be able to see the repost videos that you have added onto your account. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.